today for the first time I'm going to be using the other cooking option in the Ooni Volt 2 pizza oven, which is the wire rack to cook a dish. Put the wire rack in. This is lifted up from the stone, so it's not touching the stone, which is great. I don't have the heat from the pizza stone being absorbed into my cooking tray that I'm going to use. I need to turn the oven on. I'm just going to turn the wheel. You need some garlic, leftover dough, herbs, and some salt. I've got sea salt, crushed sea salt, and olive oil. This is the first time I've used my small pan to cook in as well. There's a lot of firsts today. So I'm going to make sure the olive oil is distributed all over the pan. So I will place the dough in the middle of the tray. I'm now going to cover it with the lid. And I'm going to leave it there for 20 minutes for it to settle and proof. I could proof it in my oven, but that's being heated up for the cook, but it's fine. It's about 20 degrees inside, so I'm just going to go with that for 20 minutes. I'll be back soon. I'm going to put oil into the herbs and garlic, olive oil, to stop them burning whilst it's in the oven. So there's basil, oregano, and garlic. That's going to be my focaccia topping, and then I'll be using salt as well. It has been 20 minutes, so let's check. This has been really simple. All I've done so far is put oil in my pan, turn the oven on, and put the dough in. So I'm just going to use my fingers to spread the dough around in the pan to the corners. Pour it over the dough. These are my toppings. They've been sitting in olive oil for a while, so they hopefully won't burn on the top of my focaccia. Okay, I'm just going to add some more olive oil, drizzle right across. I'm going to put it in the oven now. And I am now going to remove it. I think it's done. Looking at it in there from my window, I can't think why it would need any more time, to be honest. So beep. Right, you're coming out whether you like it or not. Take a look at it. That's browned up for my liking anymore, and I may overcook my garlic, which is beautifully crisped up in there. Gotcha. I love this pan, by the way. Absolutely so versatile. Brilliant. Okay, there's my focaccia. Whoa. Ooh, lovely crispy base. Into my balsamic and olive oil, so hot. This is very good. You just gotta need to know how long you've got to cook it for, but really nice. The garlic on here is so crunchy and tasty. All of the herbs just infused into the dough, and my balsamic dip is the perfect accompaniment to this. Very easy to do. I can make it. So yeah, it's very easy to do. You can alternate your toppings and put whatever you want on there, like cherry tomatoes or rosemary. I'm so pleased I gave this a try. I actually love focaccia. I just never made it myself. I didn't think I could do it, and I didn't know how to do it. Couldn't do without it. It's the Ooni Detroit style pan in small. I couldn't have done it without it. Perfect size for me. Perfect size for me cooking in this oven, and it proofs my dough. This is really useful. I thought I need to cook it with a lid, but then I thought no, because I won't be able to brown it then, so no, don't cook it without the lid, with the lid on. Cook it without. If you enjoyed this video, it's something different. I've never made it before, I think you could tell. If you have leftover pizza dough, I highly recommend making one of these. Honestly, I really don't know why I didn't make one before. I must have thought it was something complicated that I couldn't possibly do, and it's not. I love the pan for proofing dough, and now I love it for cooking. It really is a very versatile little pan. It's something I know I'm going to be using a lot in this oven. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to check out my playlist for the Ooni Volt 2, where I've made multiple pizza, I've unboxed it, and I've got a first cook video. So thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!